Hello students, my name is Dev Pandya. As you all know that nowadays we are going through this COVID-19 crisis, so because of this everybody should stay home and be safe with your family. So today standard 8 English grammar chapter number 9 comparatives. As you all know that I am going through the examples, some of the examples of this chapter and definitions of this chapter. So after that you have to read it by your own also, you have to learn these points and definitions also, and after that you have to complete all the exercises like brain twisters and activity zone in your notebook, and you have to send me on my WhatsApp. Okay, so comparatives. So study the following sentences carefully. Now for the first sentence is Prabhakar is stronger than his brother. Rupali is more intelligent than Garima. Now stronger, more intelligent, etc. are comparative forms. Now that is a comparison between two people. Okay. Now comparatives are formed by adding er or more. Now with short words we use er. With comparatively long words we use more. In case of some words we have to remember the comparative forms like this. We can form the sentences and the words like the first word is bright, brighter, beautiful, more beautiful, bad, worse, much or many, more, deep, deeper, difficult, more difficult, little, less, far, farther. So we use comparatives to compare two things. We may mention both the things or we may mention one and the other may be understood. So after comparatives we often use then. For example, could you speak a bit louder? Could you run a bit faster? We can run faster than everyone. Like you can speak more loudly than I can. So more loudly, faster, louder. So these are the words that we can add er that forms comparatives. So the second page. Now these words can be used before comparison. Now a bit, a little, slightly, much, a lot. Like in this we have the examples here. Now the first one is it is much cheaper to travel by train than by car. So we used than by car. So staying at a 5-star hotel is a lot more expensive than staying at a tourist resort. That is true. So I am tired. Could you walk a little or a bit or slightly more slowly? There is an interrogative sentence like this. So the comparative can also be used as in the following sentences like this. We can use the example here. The more I sleep, the lazier I feel. Now that is true. The farther you walk, the sooner you get tired. This is also true. But the farther and the sooner is called comparatives. Now the comparative dash 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 the comparative. Now in this what we can use? We can use the two comparatives with one of the thing. It is directly related to the other. Like for example, the faster you write, the more mistakes you make. Then as and as like this, and we can form the sentences like of the comparative. We can form the sentence like this. For example, look at these three women: Mrs. Sharma, Mrs. Khanna, Mrs. Chaudhary. Now Mrs. Sharma, Mrs. Khanna and Mrs. Chaudhary are all beautiful women. Yes, we can see that. But Mrs. Sharma is more beautiful than Mrs. Khanna. But Mrs. Sharma is not as beautiful as Mrs. Chaudhary, or Mrs. Chaudhary is more beautiful than Mrs. Sharma. Now these last two sentences mean the same. We can use either of them like this. Shyam is richer than Ram. Ram is not as rich as Shyam. So then and as me, then or as I am. We can also use that also in these comparatives like this one. And for example, the first one is she is prettier than me and not than I in the brackets. She is pretty as me and not as I in the brackets. Now she is prettier than I am. She is as pretty as I am. So after then or as, it is more formal and also more usual in modern English to say me, us, him, her, them, then, I, we, he, she, they, when there is no verb. Moving to the next page. In the next page we have superlatives. Now what is superlative? Study the following sentences carefully. The sun is the hottest star. Yes, is the hottest. Akshay is the most active boy in the class. Now the hottest and the most active are superlative forms. We use superlative forms when we have to compare more than two things. Understand this. We normally form superlatives by adding est or by using most. Est is added to short words, most is used with longer words. In case of some words, we have to remember the superlative forms. These are the superlative forms. Now how we can form the superlative forms? High, highest, difficult, most difficult, happy, happiest, good, best, bright, brightest, active, most active, busy, busiest, bad, worst. Now we have also learned that positive, comparative and superlative. So these are the degrees of superlative, and before that we have learned about the comparative. These are the comparatives. Okay. Now moving to the next page. So these are the we have forget this note. Now it is normal to use the before a superlative, like for example the brightest star, the most beautiful painting. Now after superlatives we use in with places and of with periods of time, like we have examples here also. So for the first example is Lakshmi Mittal is the richest person in the town. You can also use in of. Yesterday was the coldest day of the year. Today is the worst day of my life. Madhya Pradesh is the biggest state in India. Now sometimes we can use most to mean very. Now for example, the magazine you gave me was most interesting, like very interesting. Thank you for all this courtesy. It was most graceful for you. Now, very graceful. In such sentences, we don't use the before superlatives like this ones. Now, in other words, study the following examples carefully. Setting examples is more difficult than following examples. Following examples is not as difficult as setting examples. These are the both formations of these words, like more difficult than and not as difficult as is the same meaning. So no one I know is as beautiful as Madhuri. Now Madhuri is more beautiful than any other girl I know. That is a comparison. Madhuri is the most beautiful girl I know. That is superlative. So in the third sentence, Dr. Devdutt is one of the best doctors in our city. Dr. Devdutt is better than most doctors in our city. Very few doctors in our city are as good as Dr. Devdutt. So at the last we have a fact file and summary. Now comparatives denote higher degree of the quality. Comparatives are followed by then. Here two things are compared. Now superlatives. Superlatives denotes the highest degree of the quality and are used when more than two things are compared. The is used before a superlative. So this is it. So you have to read these examples and definitions of this chapter. So after that you have to complete all the exercises in your notebook and you have to send it over me on WhatsApp. Thank you.